Creating consistent AI content with Leonardo.ai involves using structured workflows, reusable prompts, and visual styles to maintain a unique, branded look across all your content, perfect for YouTube, social media, or websites. Here's a detailed guide how to create consistent AI content with Leonardo.ai. Step 1. Define your visual identity before generating content. Decide on style, e.g., realistic, 3D and cyberpunk, minimal, color palette, dark mode, neon, pastel, etc. Character types: robotic, human, futuristic, fantasy. Mood: inspirational, tetchy, mysterious. Pro tip: create a mood board of 5 to 10 AI-generated images you like. Use these to build your brand tone. Step 2. Craft a reusable prompt template. Develop a base prompt you can tweak for every new image. For example, template prompt: greater than a futuristic AI lab environment with glowing blue holograms, sleek robots interacting with humans, cinematic lighting, ultra-detailed, 8K resolution. Consistent color tone, centered composition. Keep these elements in every prompt: visual setting, color, and lighting. Style: consistency, character traits or objects. Use this as your default, and just modify the subject or action. Step 3. Use the prompt evolution or image-to-image feature. Upload your favorite generated image. Use image-to-image to evolve it while keeping the style intact. This helps maintain visual consistency across multiple thumbnails, banners, or scenes. Step 4. Create characters or scenes that repeat for Faceless YouTube or storytelling. Create recurring AI characters or mascots through digital environments or template signature lighting or angle setups. Use Leonardo's image variations tool to build new versions of the same character or scene. Step 5. Maintain resolution and aspect ratios for YouTube. Thumbnail size: 1280 by 720, 16:9 full screen video, 1920 by 1080 HD. Always use consistent sizing for clarity and brand recognition. Step 6. Organize and tag projects inside Leonardo. Keep folders by video, series, character, set, style, theme. Tag your best prompts and reference images to reuse easily. Step 7. Generate in batches to save time. Prepare 5 to 10 prompt variations ahead. Generate multiple assets in a batch. Pick the best ones and tweak. This way, your YouTube or social posts maintain a visual rhythm. Bonus tip: pair with Chat for full content workflows. Chat to create video scripts, descriptions, and thumbnail text. Then use Leonardo to generate matching visuals. Example flow: 1. Chat gives you a script on AI in education. 2. Prompt: Leonardo, futuristic classroom with a robot teaching students, digital chalkboard, glowing, cinematic lighting, consistent with previous uploads. Final advice: creating consistent AI content with Leonardo isn't just about art, it's about branding. Your audience should recognize your visuals instantly. Build your signature style, and your channel will stand out from the rest.
If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bells so you don't miss our next deep dive into the AI creator space. Got questions about Leonardo prompts or content automation? Drop them in the comments below. I respond to every question. And if you're serious about building a faceless YouTube channel powered by AI, stick with Echo AI. We're just getting started. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.